The European Union is stepping up efforts to wean itself from Russian natural gas by increasing imports of natural gas from African countries. The EU plans to increase liquefied natural gas imports by 50 billion cubic meters and boost shipments of pipeline gas from countries other than Russia by 10 billion cubic meters. Details of this and other stories making headlines across the continent.
Collectively, Nigeria, Algeria, Senegal and Mozambique sit on close to 600 trillion cubic meters of natural gas. Nigeria is already the fourth biggest liquefied natural gas supplier to Europe. The EU also wants to work out a deal to secure 15 billion cubic meters of natural gas from the United States. If the bloc's plan comes to fruition, the EU could reduce its dependence on Russian gas by nearly 67% in 2022. The EU's draft energy strategy also seeks to prepare the region for imports of 10 million tons of renewable hydrogen by 2030 to help replace gas from Russia. In line with the bloc's Green Deal to walk away from fossil fuels and reach climate neutrality by mid-century. Elsewhere, Ghana's private sector has been urged to leverage opportunities in housing and infrastructure using insights from the Sustainable Development Goal Investor Map. This comes as Ghana's property development market has gained momentum in recent times due to the growing urbanization rate of 3.51%, an increasing middle class, and the influx of non-resident Ghanaians and foreign home buyers. In spite of an annual supply of 40,000 housing units, the population and housing census conducted in 2021 revealed that the country's housing deficit was still in excess of 1.7 million. Finally, South Africa cotton growers expect volumes to drop as much as 13% this year compared to the prior season, following heavy rainfalls and hail that caused damage to some farmers' field. The industry estimates that it can produce about 68,000 lint bales of cotton this year, which is already lower than the last month. The industry, whose planting was spread out on 14,044 of land for the season, anticipates a yield of 4,140 kilograms per hectare under irrigation from seed cotton and 1,523 kilograms per hectare on dried lands. It produced 4,515 kilograms per hectare and 2,552 kilograms per hectare during the prior season. The drop in cotton production comes as the demand for cotton products increases globally, especially with the world opening up and as sales of cotton apparels and related products return. Especially with the world opening up and as sales of cotton apparels and related products return.